Find out the value of this. If x is this, first we can write the x minus 2 is equal to, we can write root 3, and now square of both of sides. So there is the a square minus 4x plus this is the b square, so 4, and this is the cut, so 3. So this is the a square 4x, and this is the plus minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write a square 4x and this plus 1 is equal to 0. And now there we can write the x cube, and this we can write this is the 4x. So there we can write this is the 4x square minus 3x square, we can write this, and this is, we can write the 4 into 3, so there is the 12x, and this is the x, and this is the 17. So again there is the x cube, there is the 4 square, and this is, we can come this is come here, and there is the 3x square, and this is the 12x, and this is the 17. We can write this, and now we take the x common, so there is the x square, and this is the 4x, and this is the plus 1. From there we can write this, and from there we take the 3, so there is the x square, and this is the minus 4x, and 3 take the common, so we can write there the, from here there is the, this is the 1, so 1, this is the minus 3, and there is the 17 is the plus, so there is the plus 20, because 3 is common, so 3, this is the minus 3, and minus 3 and plus 20, so plus minus, this is the plus 70. We can write this, and now we made this first because this is the 0, so we made this, so the x, and this is the made, this is the 0, and this is the minus 3, and this is the made is 0, and this is the plus 20, so this value is 0, this is value is 0, x into 0, and this is the 0, and so plus 20, so this is value is 20, so this value is 20 if x is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.